Today we're going to learn how to do the double crochet. This video is brought to you by KPC Yarns. I'm using KPC Yarn Glencoul Chunky in the color Confetti and a 6mm crochet hook. To purchase this yarn or crochet hook and others like it, visit the link in the description below. In order to work the double crochet, you'll need a foundation chain, also known as the chain stitch. If you're not sure how to work the chain stitch, you can watch the video by KPC Yarn on how to make a chain stitch and the single crochet. So here on my chain stitch, I'm going to count down to the 4th chain. So here I'm not going to count the chain that's on my hook. I'm going to count down from this chain downwards. So here's my 1st chain, 2nd chain, 3rd chain, and here is my 4th chain. So what we're going to do is I'm going to mark my 4th chain right here with my thumb, and then I'm going to do a yarn over. So I'm going to grab my yarn, and then I'm going to push my hook into that 4th chain. And I'm going to do another yarn over, grab my yarn, bring it through the chain, and now I have 3 loops on my crochet hook. I'm going to do another yarn over, and I'm going to pull through the first 2 loops. Here we go. Now I have 2 loops on my crochet hook. I'm going to do another yarn over, and I'll pull through the remaining 2 loops. And now I've just made my first double crochet, and we will repeat that across our foundation chain. We're going to go into the next stitch over. I'll grab my yarn with a yarn over and go into the next stitch. Do another yarn over, pull through, and now I've got 3 loops on my crochet chain, and I'll do a yarn over, pull through those 2 loops. Now I've got 2 loops on my crochet chain, do another yarn over, and pull through those 2 remaining loops. So here we go. And we'll work our way across the chain. Going into my next stitch over here, do another yarn over, go into the stitch, do another yarn over, pull through so that I have 3 loops on my crochet hook, yarn over, go through 2 loops, another yarn over, and go through the remaining 2 loops. So here we go. We would work this way across our whole foundation chain, doing a yarn over, going into the loop, doing another yarn over, pulling through. Always make sure you have 3 loops on your crochet hook. Do a yarn over, pull through 2, do another yarn over, pull through your remaining 2. So work your way across until you get to the end of your chain. So here I am near the end of my row. I just have 1 more double crochet to work. So here we are. There we go. So now I've finished my first row of double crochet. Now we're going to work our turning row. So I'm going to chain 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to turn my work around because when we crochet, we always work from the right to the left. So here we go. I'm not going to work my first stitch here. This would be my first stitch right at the base. I'm going to go into my 2nd stitch right here. So I'll do a yarn over, and I'll go into the 2nd stitch, do a yarn over, grab my yarn. Now I've got 3 loops on my crochet hook. Do a yarn over, go through the first 2 loops, another yarn over, go through the remaining 2 loops. So there I've just worked a double crochet on my 2nd row. And you would continue in this manner until your double crochet is the length that you want. And that is how you work the double crochet. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the KPC Yarns channel and like this video if you found it helpful. Check out more videos from KPC Yarns.